Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, last class we learn about opposite words. So I hope you completed the opposite words using un or in. So again I am giving the answers: unhappy, unimportant, impolite, imperfect, unseen, unhealthy, improper, unsafe, unlucky, impatient, impossible, impure. Those who are not completed, you have to complete this one. This answer you have to write only in textbook itself. Okay. So the next one, page number 29. Here is a paragraph and some words are wrote in blue color. You have to write the opposite of those words. So you have to write the opposite words in a space. You can see there you have to write. So I will read out the passage. Rida loved her dog Sheru. So what was the opposite of loved? Hated. Every day Sheru would go out, come in of the house and come back himself. Come opposite, go. But one day he did not come home. Rida looked everywhere. Everywhere opposite, nowhere. Tears rolled down. Down opposite, up. Sheru was lost. Lost opposite, found. He was nowhere found. Nowhere opposite, everywhere. Rida was crying. Crying opposite, laughing. And can you guess? All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rida was very happy. Happy opposite, sad. Give the opposite of the words in italic. So you have to write that words in blue color. You have to write the opposite word. Then there is a space. You have to write only the opposite. No need to write loved, hated. You have to write hated only. You have to say. You have to write there. Then next one, rewrite the passage below using cap letters where necessary. So last day you learn about punctuation. Same like that you have to use it. So whenever you need cap letters, you use it. For starting, you need capital letters. For example, a name of person, a name of place, and everything everywhere you have to use capital letters. So I am giving the answers here. So two questions are here. So second one, something different. Oh dear, said the fir tree. So I need put in butter comma, exclamation mark, everything. So you have to do it in your textbook itself. Okay, then page number 30. You can see, you look at the picture below. In the yellow box there are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see other two. Write down the 4 things that you can see. So in the box you can see 6 of them in the picture. So you have to write, there is a space under the picture. You have to write what you can see in the picture. Okay, options: ducks, mat, dog, girl. Duck, mat, boy, tree. Not dog, boy. Okay. Look at the picture again. Describe the picture. So you have to write, describe about the picture. The ducks are swimming in the pond. The girl is giving food to the bird. The boy is looking at this bird. Two ducks are in the pond. In the pond near a near flowers are there. Like that you can write. Okay, then next one, fun time. Fun time I'm not given here. That is, you have to make a plant inside your home. That already you know. You take a small dish and add some sand, manure, small pebbles, and then a small plant. So tiny plant is good. You know, indoor plant like that you have to do yourself. You do it in your home. Okay. Then next one, glass break easily when it drops. When glass is break very easily when it drop. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books, your plastic water bottle, can you break it easily? Circle the things that can. So circle the things which are breaking easily when it's drop. Okay, you have to circle it only. Then next page, page number 32. Which are the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? So here are so many options. So you have to read that and which one makes others happy and which one make others unhappy. You have to find out. For example, respecting elders. That makes ones who happy or unhappy. Yes, its answer is happy. Not saying thank you. That makes one unhappy. So you have to write one column the actions that make you people happy, other column action that make people unhappy. So I'm giving the answer: respective elders, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, being honest. Then actions make people unhappy: not saying thank you, not sharing, watching TV all day, telling lies, being greedy, getting angry easily. Okay, so that's for about this chapter. Next page, there is a picture you can see. Uh, Coil singing happily. Suddenly she heard something crying. It was her friend, the peacock. She flew to him and asked, "Why are you crying? I hate myself. I have such ugly feet." So you have to make a conversation that we can do later. Okay, these all are you have to complete in your textbook itself. Then uh, don't forget to complete everything in your textbook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.